Whenever I think, I feel very surprised and very lucky about this having this much of knowledge in this English language. Why? Because if you compare English with any other language, we will not feel that much of comfortable and we don't have that much of knowledge in any other language. But when it comes to English, we can read, write, listen, understand everything we can do, but except speaking, we are lacking in that. But majority of the English learners are feeling about why I am not able to speak English very fastly. So in this video I am going to talk about this problem, and I will share 3 techniques as well, how you can rectify this mistake, how you can avoid this problem, right? So try to watch this video till the end, you will get the complete information about it. Okay, the first mistake which we are doing, we are trying to speak English very fast and perfect. It is completely a wrong thing, because at the initial days, in our beginning stage, it is impossible to speak that much of fast, right? So English is not about, fluency is not about speaking fast. It is about speaking with full of clarity and clear, right? So when you understand this point, when you understand this rule, as I said, fluency is not about speaking fast, it is about speaking clear, right? So when we try to speak with full of clear words and with a clear mindset, then we can know that we are able to speak fluently in English, right? Anybody can say you are fluent at your English, right? Otherwise, how much ever you speak very fast, but other person can't understand what you're speaking about, it's a useless thing, and nobody can say that you are fluent in English. Only because of the tension and only because of the hurry, only because of the fear that you are trying to speak very fast in English. But it's completely a wrong thing, and you are making a mistake, right? So at least from today, don't focus on speaking fast, just focus on speaking clear and with, even if you speak very slow, but just speak with full of clarity. Okay, the second point which I wanted to discuss, even we don't speak very fast our mother tongue, as we know, but we know everything in our mother tongue. We can read, we can write, we can understand, we can speak very fluent, but sometimes we make mistakes even in our mother tongue as well, right? So then why you are feeling bad at English? Because it's a very new language to you. Why you need to feel bad about it? At the beginning stage, it is all okay to be learned, right? So making mistakes and learning from all of those mistakes, it's a part of learning, right? So don't ever feel bad about I'm not speaking fast. Okay, this is the point I wanted to discuss, and follow this rule, definitely you will get the result, and you will appreciate yourself, right? You will feel very surprised by avoiding all these mistakes and all these 3 things. Definitely you feel better about yourself, right? So it's completely feeling bad and comparing with ourselves with some other person, it's completely useless thing, and it's completely waste of time, right? If you compare your English with some other person, there will be a lot of difference. Why? Because some other person might be learning or practicing English for the last so many days, but you started very early stage, right? So how can you compare your fluency with that person? It will completely become wrong thing, right? So obviously, as I said, you just try to remove all these things from your mind, try to follow new things, try to be like an optimistic. Definitely you will see the better results. Okay, this is all about this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop speaking. Okay.